Good morning. It is the first day after Passover, and I'm just coming outside because it is so gorgeous, huh? Speaking of gorgeous, it's so nice outside, and there's so much Paw Patrol going on inside. So I thought I'd come out here and say I hope that you guys had a wonderful Passover holiday. If you celebrated, or if you celebrated Easter or Ramadan, I just hope the spring holidays were enjoyable for you. So it's the day after Passover here, which means it's time to clean again. We have to take all the Passover stuff out of the house and bring in all the chametz, all the stuff we weren't allowed to eat on Passover. So I have a Costco order being dropped off, so I have a big grocery restock coming, and what else? Oh, just like a house clean, because my kids who were home with me for all of spring break, me and 3 little boys, was pretty much how it was. 2 of my older kids' classes from preschool had like a quarantine because of a suspected case and like just a situation. But basically, we were just staying home to be cautious. But everyone is totally fine, thankfully. But my house is not fine. My house took a toll. That was kind of my philosophy for a break with kids, though. I'm just like, let it be. Because if I follow them cleaning up and forcing them to clean up instead of just like letting them play all day, someone described it as cleaning with kids is like trying to brush your teeth while eating Oreos. And nothing has been more true. But let me just show you the garden, because our garden is really nice. We did some planting. I haven't really showed too much of my garden before, but our spring flowers are here. And the grass is mowed. There's still some mess, but it's looking nice. I mean, and these are the flowers that Corey planted. They're so cute. So we've taken care of the outside, but it's time to head on in. If you're new here, by the way, welcome. My name is Marian. I make videos about being a mom and being a Jewish mom, and I would love to have you as one of my subscribers. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. And let me just give you some advance warning that coming up, I think it'll be my next video, is a very big one. It's the first Shabbat after Passover, and we make a really special challah, and it's just very special, and I will definitely be vlogging it for you. So pretty much right after the Seders, I cleaned our dining room and just put all, we took the cloths to the dry cleaners, got all that cleaned up. Table is a blank canvas again, but it's time for the happy Passover sign to go. Okay, so now the dining room is truly a blank canvas again, and this is going to go in my Passover box where I keep everything for the holiday. The playroom. The kids have been playing this, they call it Passover Seder picnic. And I don't really know what it means, but what I do know is it means take out every piece of pretend food we have and throw it on the floor. But I kept them entertained for a lot of spring break, so I'm going to have them help me with that. This is the State of the Passover box. You guys probably remember at the beginning of the holiday I said do not let me put that box in the basement before cleaning it out, putting it all away nicely, so I will be doing that. And my office is actually in okay shape, but the family room and the kitchen are what I would call disasters. So here is an overview of the Costco order. Some things have already been opened by my little helper. But quite a healthier order than last time around, because we actually still had a lot of the like packaged, not prepared food, like, you know, cookies, crackers, that kind of thing from our last order. So I'll just go over really quick what we stocked up on this time. Oh, and the total was $280, but that was for Instacart delivery. I know it's more expensive if you do it that way per item. There's not a delivery fee, just each item is a little bit more expensive from what I read online. Okay, so we've got a big old thing of Pirate's Booty and organic applesauce pouches, organic frozen blueberries for smoothies, cucumbers, organic broccoli, and organic strawberries that are fresh. I think, are these the organic ones? Yes. Then I got some go-go squeezes, which my little helper has already helped himself do. Yeah, go-go squeezes. Did you have one?
Yeah.
Was it yummy?
Yeah.
Yep, there you go. A big watermelon, some of the siete, is that what you call them? Tortilla chips, a big thing of pretzels for school lunches. This is the Empire brand sliced turkey breast. This is the kosher one. You can see all their certifications on the side. A giant thing of organic eggs, which is really useful in our house because we eat a lot of eggs. Chocolate chip muffins, waffles, also for school lunches, the Baby Bells. And then, yeah, are you excited to try the circle cheese for lunch?
I don't want that.
Oh. Okay, great. Some cheese tortellini for like easy dinners. Beer batted cod for easy dinners. This is my favorite lunch to have, like just by myself before I pick up the kids. Oh, because it's not Paw Patrol cheese. Well, it's still delicious. Some bell peppers, bananas, Pediasure. And that's the order. Thank you for helping me bring it all in, Corey.
You're welcome.
You are such a good helper.
Vanilla milk.
Yes, vanilla milks. They're called Pediasures. But yeah, I didn't forget them. All right, so now we got to put this all away. Yeah, I got them. Don't worry. So up first, I'm just taking out all the kosher for Passover products. I was saying goodbye to my matzah. And of course, some of it you can definitely keep, but things like matzah meal and that kind of things I know I'm not going to use. And so if the box is open, I'll just throw it away. Some stuff I might donate, and I saved a box of matzah for next year because it doesn't expire. And then I had my giant bottle of Manischewitz, which we'll still use for Shabbat and stuff, but just cleared out some of those Passover snacks. So I don't like hide my chametz or put it in a different area of the house. I just cleared off shelves. If you watch my prepping for Passover vlogs, I clear off the shelves we normally use and put in all the Passover stuff, and now I'm just getting all our normal everyday stuff back in their spots. I'm not a big decanter if you watch the home edit, but because we have giant boxes from Costco, I do decant a little bit and just try to put things in sections and just make it, my whole goal is to make it easier in the mornings for me to get my kids lunches and get them out the door. That's all I'm trying to do in the morning. Okay, that's a little better. Now I can see what we've got going on. Everything unpacked from Costco, which of course once you put it in the pantry it doesn't look like much. But this is a bit better, restocked for like lunches for the week and everything like that. Okay, keep going. So it was finally time to clean up the Passover picnic. So I did ask the boys about it. Basically, they started with the Passover set that I bought them, the KidCraft one, and then they expanded on it with all their play food, and then they made picnic blankets out of paper or something. I didn't really totally get it, but it was really cute. They're always like this. Like when it's the holidays, they're so inspired by all the excitement in the air that they like play pretend about the holidays throughout the whole time. It's really sweet, even though it's really messy. So they did help clean it up. Of course, we had to encourage them, but they did it, and the room was finally clean and all ready to go. I'm sure they'll make a mess of it soon, but that's fine. And now on to my boxes. So I did it. I cleaned them out, went through everything, threw out a lot of stuff that I wasn't using anymore. I made a pile to donate and just tried to save everything I could that I know we will be using in future years. I put all the things like our Passover books, the kids' Passover school projects from preschool. I just keep everything together in the Passover box because I know we're not really gonna like read Passover books when it's not Passover, that kind of thing. So that's just how I do it. And yeah, it feels so good to have these boxes organized and all put away. So that's it. Passover is all boxed up and put away and ready for next year. I have expanded into 2 Passover boxes. I decided to divide it like nicer things and kids things and like their artwork and stuff, just to make some rhyme or reams into it when I'm looking at next year. But I'm very happy that's all put away nicely, and even though it's in 2 boxes now, that's fine because I'm sure it will expand over the years anyways, and there's plenty of room in each of the boxes. So they'll go down to our basement. We have a rack of these kinds of bins, and it's all like holidays and baby clothes for like the younger boys, that kind of thing. So that's ready to go down. Passover is done. Thank you so much for all your support and love this holiday with my Haggadah that I made for the first time. It was on Etsy. It was just amazing to see all your reviews of it. Everyone who sent photos of it on their Seder table and everything like that. It was just amazing to see. And just all your support for it anyways, sharing it and reviewing it and all that sort of thing. So with that, I will say goodbye. I'll see you hopefully for Shabbat in a few days. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.